Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Majestic Hillary, and today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. So the past videos that I have posted have all been tutorials, but today I'm going to maybe try to mix it up with a makeup challenge of sorts. So James Charles obviously came out with his show called Instant Influencer. It is great, by the way. And he, after the first episode, did a challenge where he only used a beauty blender for his makeup, and mine is going to be similar to that. It's like inspired by that, but today I'm going to try to do my makeup without using any brushes. So sponges are open, my fingers are open, so let's just get into it. Also, I will be talking about some kind of important stuff going down in this video while I'm doing my makeup, so please stick around to hear those out. Now, before I get started, I'm going to wash my hands, because you should always wash your hands before you touch your face, so I'll be right back. Okay, so to get started, I'm just going to take my foundation, and I don't have any concealer that I own, so I essentially use my foundation like concealer, putting it like under the eyes where I have acne, and I don't think that's very healthy for skin, especially because I'm not putting anything down before that, but that's all I've got, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Next, I'm just going to quickly do contour, and I have this contour stick, luckily, which I can blend out with one of these little sponges that I have. So I'm just going to try to talk while I do this for a little bit, because I do kind of want to talk to you guys about a couple things. So, and you may think this isn't very important at all, but I want to know what you guys think. So the first thing is about my channel intro and outro. My intro is like, I don't even know, it's basically like a mix of like Safiya Nygaard's and like literally a lot of people's, and my outro is just like Markiplier's. So if you have any suggestions on what you would want those to be, I'm like 100% open. And so please, I'll put a poll up in the corner. I'm learning Japanese, so do you want something like incorporated with Japanese in there, or like just like if I call you guys something, please tell me like what that is, because I would love to have like a name for you guys. So please let me know that in either in the poll or comments or both. So thank you. That I got from Ipsy, and it's not my favorite, but I do like it, so I will just apply that real quick. So next for eyeshadow, I think I kind of want to do something with the color red, and for application, I have these two little blending sponges, so I think those might work for accuracy, but I think I might also have to resort to using my fingers a lot too, so we'll just see how this goes. decided to doing now is I tried it with this sponge for a little bit, but it just could not transfer the eyeshadow to my eye. So now I kind of have like designated fingers for which colors, so I guess that kind of worked out. I'm just going in with this gold shade, taking it on a finger, and then just putting it on the lid. So I'm gonna repeat this exact same process on this side. I promise I won't use any brushes, and I'll just repeat it exactly the same. So one thing that is clearly obvious with this look is, since I'm using my fingers and there's not a lot of precision with them, is that the under eyes become extremely smoky. So take that for how it is, but. And I also just realized that I totally forgot blush, so I'm just going to use one of the sponges I have and apply it with it. That did not turn out at all like how I wanted. I looked like a clown. But anyway. So next is lips, and the only thing I can kind of think of is to like take like a liquid lipstick, put that on one of my sponges, and then apply that to my lips. So I guess that's just what I'm gonna have to do. Okay, I'm so sorry, I just realized I did not show you the eye. It shows this liquid lipstick and nude. And I applied it to this sponge, and then I just put that on my lips, and it turned out kind of good. So I think that's it for this look. It's what I expected. I mean, yeah, I look like a clown, and yeah, my eyes are like 12 times more smoky than I want them to be. But considering the challenge, I think it's kind of successful. So I guess that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Also, next week there's going to be a very special guest on my channel, so I'm very excited about that. And I have an Instagram where I'll be posting pictures of this look, so go follow me down there. There will be a link in the description. And please let me know what you guys think about my intro and my outro. And I'd love some opinions on that, so thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.